Hey, good early Wednesday morning as we're pressing Thanksgiving, of course, here in a day or so, well, a day. I wanted to give you my winter forecast, the way things are looking right now. We're actually not in the best of patterns that I've seen over the past 17, 18 years since I've been working on this, but it's an okay pattern. It's not great. It's an okay pattern. But if we look at how this all lines up, the pattern sets up from about September 20th. That's when it really gets going until about October 10th. Then we have a recurring cycle, meaning this system, which are the same systems. They may making updates here. Let's say if one moves through on September 15th, it may roll back through on November 1st. So it's the number of days in between storm systems, the same storm system. Then I kind of clock that number of days and how often it's going to move through. So that's the cycle. It sets up in July. And then we also have a weak La Nina influence this year. Now, if we look at our snow stats and kind of what we should see, we average 16 inches. You can see over the past several years, we've had some down years, 11 and 12, 2.8. But in 10 and 11, we had 33. And then 2 winters ago, we had 17. And last year, we had a record low of 2 inches. Our biggest snow was 3/4 of an inch, which was absolutely ridiculous. So a couple features I see here is our jet stream kind of comes in, dips way into the southern plains, kicks out across parts of the Great Lakes. This is a pretty good setup for us. We'll have to see how far south the upper level lows can track, but with cold Arctic air diving south, which we should have a decent amount of this winter, this can give us some wintry weather. However, there's another feature that isn't the best. I see 10, 12-day stretches where we get this ridge across the Rockies and we warm up. We're actually going to have one of these stretches right before Christmas. That's not a good setup for wintry weather. So those are kind of two big features that I really see as we work through the winter months. So I think our temperatures are going to be near average, maybe a hair above. Average precip, meaning rain and snow. I'm going to go 11 to 16 inches. We average 16, so a hair below our average snow. Now, there's about 2 systems through the winter that I think could give us a big snow. But it's all got to come together. So I don't want to go for above average snow, just to see if we can get those guys to come together. But the potential's there, but we just don't have many of them. So that's why I'm going 11-16. But we'll watch them, because if one of those guys can come together, we could get a really big snow. So that's why I have 1 to 2 bigger snows possible and 1 ice event as we work through the winter months. So here's systems to watch, at least chances that we have snow, or at least a little better chances here at the beginning of December, and then 11th through 13th, and then right after Christmas when we cool down. January 6th through 7th, 23rd, 4th, 28th, and 29th, beginning of February, mid-February, and then 21st through 2nd, and then right at the turn of March. So those are going to be really dates that at least we have better chances for some wintry weather. Doesn't mean we're going to get it, just we'll have storm systems on all of those dates, just at least better chances for wintry weather to roll through. So, of course, I'm going to continue to watch the new pattern as we head through the rest of fall and into the winter months. I'm going to keep you updated, and let's see how it turns out. Let's see if we can get a big snow or 2. I personally love snow, so let's see if we can get 1 or 2. We'll see how it works out. All right, have a great Wednesday.